everybody! My name is Phoebe. This time I want to present how to make a bookmark. We need one colored paper, scissors, but I don't use scissors, some felty pens, but you can use pens. First, turn it around so it's like a diamond shape. Now, bring the bottom corner to up, so it's a triangle. Then take the right hand corner, bring it up and fold it. Repeat on the other side. Open it back into a triangle shape. Bring the top corner down and fold it. Then bring the flap over and fold it under. Like this. Repeat on the other side. At least you can decorate it by yourself. Your bookmark is ready. This is mine. Thank you.